This tutorial explains how to create a stock analysis dashboard from a notebook in Mineo. The first thing we are going to do is create a notebook. Then we are going to load the data from Yahoo's public API. To do this, we are going to load a package called Yahoo Finance. We can install Python packages as easily as using the pip install command. We execute this block and automatically download and install the package from the internet. Once installed, we can extract the data of any event. For example, we are going to get the Microsoft data for the last 12 months. To do this, we will use the following Python code, including the action and the period. Next, what we are going to do is to display the data we have downloading using a table widget. Widgets are non-code components that allow us to interact with our data in a simpler way than writing code. In order to include a widget, we simply have to click on the left bar at the table widget and then connect the data by simply editing the widget and mapping out the variables. We can also visualize them by means of the graph widget. We are going to make a line chart, and as before, we will connect the data input variables and configure the axes to show the closing value over time. The appearance of our dashboard is already improving. Now, what we are going to do is add a few KPIs to better synthesize the relevant information. To do this, we are going to add some code to keep the last closing value and the last market volume value. To do this, we are going to write some Python code simply to filter the data and keep the last value. We will do the same thing for the market volume value. Great. We now have filtered the data. Next, we are going to add KPI widget to be able to visualize them. We are going to put the volume and connect it to the variable. We are going to do the same thing with the closing value, and we're going to save it. Once we have our dashboard, we are going to add a title widget. We will put it at the top and make it bold. Next, we are going to reorganize it to make it more attractive. To do this, we will go to the dashboard visualization tool and we will organize the blocks for the desired look and feel. I will also remove the code block and I am going to insert it inside the title block so that it's not visible. We can now save and go to dashboard mode. Dashboard mode is an alternative display mode where we can configure all our widgets in a much more attractive way. Once finished, we execute, and just like that, we have our dashboard finished.